Is this a overly hyped up product or not? Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I'm going to do this look. It's a winter meets springtime look and there is a little catch. I'm going to review the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. So keep on watching and I hope you liked the video. I'm going in with In a Pinch. That is this orangey color. And I'm going to tap it on the outer corner. We can build that up. So I'm blending it out inwards to the inner corner, but not quite to the inner corner, if you know what I mean. So scratch around the edge. So there is no line. And it has a nice soft blend. I'm going in with the Gingerbread Glam. It's a medium brown. Just tap that off and place it in the outer corner as well. Just tap it lightly and go into the crease. Don't bring it up as high as you did with the In a Pinch color. And we're going to build this up very carefully. I'm going in without picking up any extra color. The blending brush from In a Pinch. And blend on top of that. So we just created some depth. You can see it's here no depth, here is depth. We're going in with the Soft and Sweet color. It's more a old pink. I love the old pink color, but it's not working as I want. As I hoped. No, so we're going to do something else. We're going to try this. This is the Huda Beauty Matte and Melt liquid eyeshadow, and we've got a matte baby pink color. I use this quite a lot if I want a baby pink, but don't build it up too much because it will crack. I'll try to use a thin layer of it. So this is more the look that I wanted. Now you can see, because of the old pink underneath it, that this one is drying up a little bit darker than it should, but I like it with the orange and the brown. I'm going to tap the outer side from the pink with the brown brush that we used to make the transition a little bit nicer. We're not there yet. We lack of a little shimmer, and I saw in my palette from Morphe, the 35i or EI, that there is a gorgeous powdery metallic pink in it, and I think we're going to use that one. A little brush, a dense brush, more likely, and we're going to put that here in the inner corner. So what I'm doing is I'm dragging the shimmer up to get a fresher look. So I'm going to wet my brush with my setting spray, and then I'm going in with that same shimmer and place it a little bit more here in the beginning, and then you can see that there is more payoff of the shimmers because I had to search for them. So that's better. And we're going in with the e.l.f. CC cream. But I wanted to try something because the last time I used the Fair 120 and this is the Fair 140. This one I thought it was a little bit too light and this one is a little bit too yellow. So I'm going to mix the two together. I'm going to find out what it's going to do on my skin. So I'm going to mix it together with the sponge on the back of my hand. And then, oh, this is better. You know, this is a full coverage, but it doesn't feel like a full coverage. Okay, I still feel like I saw a ghost, but it matches my neck, so. It's because I got a lot of redness from myself in my face, and it's here more white yellowy, so everything connects together, but because I'm not used to a full coverage face, that's the reason why I feel like a ghost, as white as a ghost. So we're going to cream sculpt the face to bring some warmth back. Contour the nose, otherwise it is so light in my face. I'm not from the contouring at all. Just take your time for this and blend that line out on your nose. Then the concealer part. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Set and Finish. This with the white cap. With the black cap is the matte concealer. So I'm not using much. I'm just doing like a dot here, a dot there, a dot here, and a dot there. This is it. A little bit at the sides of my nose, but I may say the foundation covers a lot, so you don't need a lot. I like to blend this out with my brush. We brighten up the inner corners, and I'm just taking this piece with me because we just contoured the nose, but you don't want to drag that darker color downwards too far, so that's why I'm going to use my liquid highlighter by NYX. This one is an oldie. Just one drop is enough. Place 2 dots there, 2 dots there, and diffuse them. Okay, if you look straight ahead and you place your finger before your eye, that's where you want to stop. And I really like a good glowy skin. So now we're going to set the face. And I'm going to use my Nabla setting powder in translucent. When you picked up the powder, you close it like this and you roll it like that so it's all inside. And then you're going to press it everywhere on your face. If you think, okay, I'm short of powder, don't hesitate and go back in. My face is all set. It's a little bit powdery, but that's not a big deal because we're going to set that later on with a setting spray and then it's all gone. So I did a contour on my face, but now to warm it up further, I'm going in with the Toofaced Chocolate Bronzer. Before we do the highlighter, the blush, and the setting spray, the lipstick and everything, I'm going to finish my eye look. Pick up the color in a pinch and swipe this along the lower lash line. And then I'm picking up a little bit of the gingerbread glam and close to the lash line. drag it a little bit through the lash line here in the outer third of your eye. And then I'm going to blend this out. Then I'm going in with the smaller pencil, eye pencil by MAC, and I'm just going to do the upper lash line. Just look down and to the side of your nose, so you don't see the pencil moving around. Makes it a lot easier. And I'm also going to use it in the lower waterline. I got a new mascara, the Sky High by Maybelline. I couldn't wait to get it in, and now I have it so we can try it together. I curled my lashes as I usually do, so it goes on very smooth. Yeah, it makes my lashes nice and divided. If they're longer, I don't know. I struggle a little bit here with dividing my lashes, but okay, they're coming. Okay, I really wanted to use a falsie today, but maybe I'll reconsider, because this looks very pretty. Is this a overly hyped up product or not? I have the feeling that I really need to work to get them up and separated. So I think it's a little bit overly hyped, but I'm not mad at it. So this one can stay in my collection. So then we've got lower lashes. Let's give that a try. Just wiggle a little bit and pull it down. I really like this, so I'm not going to use false lashes today because it's not necessary with this pretty mascara, the Sky High mascara by Maybelline. I like it, and it can stay in my kit. So then we're going further with highlighter, blush and lip. I'm going to use I Need a Nude Glow by Natasha Denona. Placing it here, and for this one it's the same concept as the liquid one. We don't want to go behind this line. So this is where we stop, because this is already the highest point of your face. So it wouldn't make sense to go much further in. For the blush is my weakness, the Natasha Denona mini palette. And I'm just doing it up diagonal. So I lift my face up instead of doing 2 dots here. And I already got a round face, so it makes it only like rounder. For the finishing touch, I'm going in with the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm heavy-handed with it because I want to push that into my skin with my blender to get a more natural finish, and every part of too much powder is gone from my face. I like this look. So it's winter meets spring on my eyes. I used the new mascara by Maybelline, the Sky High. I really liked it. Yes, I had to work a little bit for it to separate my lashes and to get them some length in there, but the total finish of the mascara is great. I like it. And is it worth hype? I'm saying wah like this because if I need to work that hard for my lash, then it's not worth the hype, but it's a great mascara. So, and this was the tutorial for today. I hope you liked it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want to see something else by me or something you didn't see yet by me. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please do. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.